Good morning, friends. In the last lecture we see all over about that alcohol. So today we will see the second part of our unit, that is phenol. पहा, अल्कोहोल, फिनॉल अँड इथर जे आपलं युनिट सुरू आहे त्याच्यातला ए पार्ट, अल्कोहोलचा पार्ट आपण मागच्याच लेक्चर मध्ये कम्प्लीट केला आणि आजच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण फिनॉल स्टार्ट करणार आहे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी व्हॉट इज फिनॉल. नो लुक ॲट हियर. So here phenol, ending letter OL, that is it containing the hydroxy group. In case of phenol, when one or more hydroxy group, they are directly attached to the benzene ring or the aromatic nucleus, then that substituted compound is known as phenol. So here when one or more hydroxy group means what? OH group. Okay. When one or more hydroxy group are directly attached to the aromatic benzene ring, aromatic nucleus, are directly attached to the aromatic nucleus, that is benzoid nucleus or benzene type of nucleus or benzene ring, then the substituted compound is known as phenol. Okay. So suppose we take the example of in phenol. So suppose we take here aromatic ring. This is our aromatic benzene. Okay. And suppose this benzene ring consists of one or more hydroxy group. Suppose one OH is present here, then that hydroxy benzene, it is known as what? Phenol. It is the example of phenol. Or simply we take the example of naphthol, alpha naphthol. So two aromatic rings are present there like this, and presence of one OH group on that aromatic ring, so it is called as what? Alpha naphthol. It is known as alpha naphthol. So these are the example of phenol. Now we will see classification of phenol. Okay. Next is what? Classification of phenol. Now phenol is mainly classified into the three types, or we can say at four types. That is what? Monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol, or the polyhydric phenol. Okay. So it is mainly classified into first monohydric phenol, okay. Second one is dihydric phenol, and third one is what? Trihydric phenol. After trihydric we can also write here fourth classification, that is polyhydric phenol. Fourth one is polyhydric phenol. Okay. So these are the four main classification: monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol, and polyhydric phenol. So first we will see what is the meaning of monohydric phenol. on the basis of presence of hydroxy group, that phenol is classified into that four main types. Out of that, first type is monohydric phenol. Now here mono means one, or single. Okay, so when only one hydroxy group is present in the aromatic ring or present in the present in phenol, then it is known as what? Monohydric phenol. When only one hydroxy group, or we can also say that when only one hydroxy group is directly attached to the benzene ring, then it is known as the monohydric phenol. When only one hydroxy group is directly attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring, then it is known as monohydric phenol. Okay, that is monohydric phenol. We can also write here, we write monohydric phenol. कारण MP जर लिहिलं then again we get confused. Maybe melting point is there, but no melting point. It is what? Monohydric phenol. For example, again same example, benzene ring is present there, and benzene ring consists of only one hydroxy group. Therefore, it is called as monohydric phenol. Simply we can say it as a phenol. Second example, suppose we take here CHO and here presence of OH. So again only one hydroxy group is present there. So it is called as 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde because this compound is benzaldehyde. So its name is 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Again we take the example, suppose presence of that two aromatic ring. It is the structure of naphthalene molecule, but it consists of one hydroxy group. Then it is under the classification of monohydric phenol, and name of that compound is what? Alpha naphthol or 1-naphthol. So it is called as alpha naphthol. Okay, alpha naphthol. So these are the some example. Again we take example of benzoic acid. Suppose here aromatic ring. Okay, it consists of COOH and here presence of OH. So what is the formation of there? There is formation of 4 hydroxy benzoic acid. So it is called as 4-hydroxy benzoic acid. Understand it? So it is about the monohydric phenol. समजलं इथपर्यंत? Mono means one or single. When that aromatic ring consists of only one hydroxy group in it, then it is known as monohydric phenol. So all these four examples, they are of the monohydric phenol. Understand it? Okay. Next we will see the second classification, that is what? Dihydric phenol. So here we can write number 2, dihydric phenol. Now here di means what? Di means 2. Di means 2. So again same definition, only difference is what? Here only one असेल तर monohydric. Only one च्या जागेवर आपण लिहू शकतो when 2-hydroxy group is directly attached to the benzene ring or the aromatic ring, then it is known as dihydric phenol. Okay, then it is known as dihydric phenol. So it is called as dihydric phenol. Okay, now we take the example. So in the dihydric phenol, we take an example of an catechol, or simply it is called as benzene 1,2 diol. So here OH and here OH is present. So it is called as benzene dash 1,2 diol. Here 1, here 2. Okay. Second example, so it is called as what? Catechol. The common name of this compound is what? Catechol. Second example, it is what? Benzene 1,3 diol. Di means 2. All means hydroxy group. So second example is here presence of benzene ring. Here OH and here also presence of OH. So it is called as benzene dash 1,3. Here 1, 2, 3. Because at first position and at third position there is presence of hydroxy group. So benzene 1,3 di means 2 diol. Okay. It is also called as resorcinol. The common name of this compound is what? Resorcinol. Common name of this compound is what? Catechol. Now third compound we can take here benzene 1,4 diol. Okay. So benzene 1,4 diol. It is also called as hydroquinone. Here at one position presence of OH group and at fourth position again presence of OH group. So it is called as benzene 1,4 diol. Okay, benzene 1,4 diol, or also we can say it as a hydroquinone. Okay, it is known as what? Hydroquinone. Understand this? So this is the second type of classification of phenol, that is the dihydric phenol. Now we can see the third type of classification, that is a trihydric phenol. Again, tri means 3. When any compound or phenol consists of 3 hydroxy group in it, then it is known as a trihydric phenol. So third classification, again here. Again definition is same, only one or two words they are different there. Third classification it is trihydric phenol. So when, now how many hydroxy group are present here? Yes, there are presence of 3 hydroxy group. Okay, so when 3 hydroxy group is directly attached to the, now here we can say R. 3 hydroxy group are directly attached to the benzene ring or the aromatic ring, then it is known as trihydric phenol. Then it is known as trihydric phenol. Suppose we take the example of trihydric phenol. So again same benzene ring is present here. Here presence of one OH group. Here presence of second OH. Here presence of third OH group. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At first position OH is present. At third position OH is present. And at fifth position also OH group is present. Therefore 3 hydroxy group are present there. Hence it is the example of trihydric phenol because tri means 3. Tri means what? 3. Okay. So its name is benzene 1,3,5 triol. Benzene 1,3,5 triol. Now second example. Suppose benzene ring is present here. Here presence of OH, here presence of OH, and here presence of OH. So it is 1, 2, 3. It is called as what? Benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Next example is, suppose this is the benzene ring and it consists of one OH, second and third one. So what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. At first position OH is present, at second position OH is present, also at fourth position OH is present. Therefore it is called as benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. Benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. Okay. So this is the third classification, trihydric phenol. And lastly we will see the polyhydric phenol. Poly means many, more than 3 compound, more than 3 hydroxy group they are present in the compound. Then it is called as polyhydric phenol. इथपर्यंत समजलं का ट्रायहायड्रिक? ओके. आता लास्ट क्लासिफिकेशन हियर नंबर 4, polyhydric phenol. Polyhydric phenol. Now poly means many. Poly चं meaning काय होते? Poly means what? Many or more than 3. So here when, so we can write here when more than 3 hydroxy group are directly attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring, then it is known as what? Polyhydric phenol. Then it is known as polyhydric phenol. So here we take example. Suppose here presence of OH 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hydroxy group are present. It is more than 3. 3 पेक्षा जास्त. Therefore, it is the example of polyhydric phenol. So what is the name of this compound? Benzene 1, 2, 3, 4 tetraol. Tetra means 4. Okay. So tetraol. In this way, we see the classification of phenol. I hope you can understand it. Okay. समजलं इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे कोणाला? ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण पाहणार आहे स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फिनॉल अँड देन मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. ओके. इथपर्यंत समजलेलं आहे? थँक्यू. हॅपी लर्निंग.